Arijit Singh was in a show called Fame Gurukul. I was a guest judge on that show. He saw me and he's like, I cannot believe I'm seeing Amit Tandon at my concert. And I'm like, hey? I remember when I saw the signs for it, billboard जो मुझे आप इंडिया के नेक्स्ट आइडल बनना चाहते हो, I'm like, हैं? जो रियाज में अब करता हूँ, जो म्यूजिकल ट्रेनिंग में अब जानता हूँ, उस वक्त अगर मैं जानता, I really feel like I could have definitely, although I was a finalist, but I feel like I could have really been at the top end of it. But ठीक है, everything has its own time, तो मुझे भी वो चीज़ सीखनी थी. उस वक्त एक नॉवल्टी फैक्टर था हमारे शो के साथ. अब क्या है, आई थिंक हर एक चैनल में कोई ना कोई रियलिटी शो चल रहा है. When there's too much of something, उसकी novelty factor चली जाती है. I live by the sword, die by the sword. और वो sword मेरी जीभ है, तो जो it's fine. I mean, I believe in saying what is in your heart. Sometimes it works in your favor, and sometimes people don't like that. But I feel it keeps you real, and that's what I like to be. Very few people want to hear the truth. I don't believe in filtering. I just believe, जो मेरे दिल में है. Otherwise, it stresses me out, and I don't like to be stressed. I'm not one of those people जो blanket कुछ बोलेगा कि नहीं मैं इनको support करता हूँ. मैं सही को सही, गलत को गलत बोलूँगा. In my opinion, Israel is an occupying state जिन्होंने बहुत brutally occupy किया है एक जगह को, एक लोगों को. मैं दिल से हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. अब मैं दिल से अपने आप को, पासपोर्ट पे भले ही मेरे अमेरिकन सिटीजनशिप है, लेकिन अपने दिल से मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. अगर मैं अमेरिका और हमारे बीच जोड़ूँ, India is the best. Like हम कहते हैं ना, East or West, India is the best. Yo.
Hi, this is Raj Shukla from Take One Film Me, and today I have with me Amit Tandon. A very warm welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good to meet you, Siddharth.
Same
Shukla. Huh?
Yeah, the same shocking reaction I get all the time.
No, but I mean, it's good to have a name like that. I think उन्होंने अपनी छाप छोड़ दी, so now it's your turn.
A huge name to live up to, especially when it comes to being in people's hearts. I don't know. Yeah.
No, you'll get there. You'll get there. Yeah.
Thanks. By the way, I have to tell you, Amit is a very interesting guy. The best part is he doesn't fake. He doesn't have a filter. He says whatever comes to your heart. Has it always been like that?
Yes, and that has gotten me into trouble a lot of times.
You just started with it. Nice.
But I live by the sword, die by the sword. और वो sword मेरी जीभ है. तो जो it's fine. I mean, I believe in saying what is in your heart, and sometimes it works in your favor, and sometimes people don't like that. But I feel it keeps you real, and that's what I like to be.
But इसके repercussions भी होते होंगे ना?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
For instance,
professionally, personally, it's always very few people want to hear the truth.
Yeah.
Or at least what you perceive as the truth. कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि अरे ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा है, या how dare him, why is he talking like that, या ये कहने की ज़रूरत क्या थी. But it's what I perceive as the truth. It's what is real for me. So if it's not real for you, that's fine. You don't have to accept it as a मतलब लकीर नहीं है कि बस वो जो कह दिया वो है. But I don't believe in filtering. I just believe जो मेरे दिल में है. Otherwise, it stresses me out, and I don't like to be stressed. तो मेरे दिमाग में या दिल में जो भी बात है मैं निकाल देता हूँ. It's like I don't like to keep anything inside.
But I like the fact you've been here since I think for 22 years now.
Yeah.
22 साल. But इतने सालों के बावजूद भी you chose to stay the same, the same way you are.
Yeah, initially it was fine because लोगों को उतना पता नहीं था. अब लोगों को पता चल गया. So like I said, जो लोग वो चीज़ समझते हैं, they understand, and जो लोग नहीं समझते, they don't. And there's no point in me trying to, like I said, be different or be something other than what I am. जो हूँ वो हूँ. Some will like it, some won't, and I've accepted that now.
Wow, you remind me of another actor, Kangana Ranaut. She's, I think, I'm not saying the similarity, but she has said the same thing somewhere in public. Your answer remind me of that. She said the same thing in public somewhere, कि whatever is there, filter नहीं रख सकते.
But I feel like the only difference I mean, no offense to her, but मुझे क्या लगता है कि in her case, a lot of things are said for some level of a benefit or some level of aligning yourself in certain factions or certain places. I don't align myself with anything except for जो मुझे सही लगता है. And I believe in humanity. I believe in not judging people based on their race or things like that. तो मैं अपने आप को बहुत clear रखता हूँ. जो इंसान मुझे अच्छा लगता है मैं उसके लिए जान अपनी दे भी सकता हूँ. I believe that even in friendship you have to be loyal to your friends, and although I have this complaint from a lot of my friends that भाई टच में नहीं रहता, ये नहीं रहता, वो उनकी गलती नहीं है, वो पूरी तरह से मेरी गलती है. बिकॉज आई जस्ट समटाइम्स मैं एक अलूफ जोन में चला जाता हूँ जहाँ पे इट्स लाइक मैं अपनी ही दुनिया में आई गेट ओवर इन्वॉल्व्ड. सो वो उनकी गलती नहीं है. सो टू ऑल ऑफ दोज फ्रेंड्स आउट देयर जिनके साथ मैंने कहीं ना कहीं जाके हैव नॉट बीन इन टच, और इट्स लाइक देयर इज ऑलवेज एक डिस्टेंस हो जाता है. आई अपोलोजाइज, मतलब my bad.
Public apology to all your friends.
Yes, yes.
I mean, what I want to know is, as soon as I met you, and in fact, even when I saw you on in one of the daily soaps, when I was a kid, when he was also a kid.
Yes, yes.
But yeah, jokes apart, you started with Indian Idol.
Yeah.
And I remember, I remember watching the first season of Indian Idol because it was a huge rage. Organically, if I can say so.
Yeah. वो show तो organic ही था, because it was, I think, the very first of its kind, in the sense that on such a big platform, that kind of a reality show जहाँ पे एक level तक एक emotional angle भी लोग लाते थे show के अंदर, and being that American Idol was such a big property, such a big show, जब पहली बार वो चीज़, I remember when I saw the signs for it, billboard, जो मुझे आप इंडिया के next idol बनना चाहते हो, I'm like, हैं, and I just wish उस वक्त I had जो रियाज में अब करता हूँ, जो म्यूजिकल ट्रेनिंग में अब जानता हूँ, उस वक्त अगर मैं जानता, I really feel like I could have definitely, although I was a finalist, but I feel like I could have really been at the top end of it. But ठीक है, everything has its own time, तो मुझे भी वो चीज़ सीखनी थी. Yeah.
You just mentioned you came from US, and your dad said just have a fun time, whatever, for 6 months. Do you think Indian Idol, you participated just was like Idol देखा and American Idol you all might already knew about and just entered?
नहीं, actually it wasn't that. उससे पहले I was actively I was a VJ. तो ये नहीं था कि वो मेरी एक करियर की शुरुआत उससे हुई थी. चैनल वी के साथ मैं एक वीजे था, एंड मैंने चैनल वी में भी वीजे की एंट्री कैसे ली, वो भी एक रियलिटी शो के थ्रू. देयर वाज अ रियलिटी शो कॉल्ड पॉप स्टार्स, जिसमें आई ऑलवेज टेल पीपल कि जो 4 लोग जो नहीं बने थे वो कौन थे. मैं, आयुष्मान खुराना, मंजरी फडनिस, सुरवीन चावला. सो गॉड हैड इट्स ओन प्लान. सो उस वक्त because I didn't win that show and we didn't become a part, Channel V had given me an offer to be a VJ, so I had started the career from there. तो 1 साल वो करने के बाद मुझे 1 साल का itch हो जाता है प्रोफेशनली स्पीकिंग. जब मैं कोई चीज़ करता हूँ, आई फील लाइक जब भी मुझे थोड़ी सी मोनोटोनस चीज़ लगने लगती है, आई काइंड ऑफ बैक अवे. बट I was enjoying my stint as a VJ, but उस वक्त मुझे ये जब साइन मिला कि wow, do you want to be India's next idol and this and that, तो I figured it's a good opportunity, because जो पहले रियलिटी शो में जो एक चीज़ थी कि आप एक ग्रुप का हिस्सा, you're an individual, so it's better for you to be an individual. तो उस वक्त मुझे लगा मुझे इस शो में जाना चाहिए, because I had done well in this show, तो मैं शो में अच्छा कर सकता हूँ. But as I got into the show, obviously पता चला that मेरे सामने जो लोग थे काफ़ी सीखे हुए थे, काफ़ी इतने सालों से वो उनकी मेहनत थी इन म्यूज़िक. सो दैट केम फॉर मी लेटर, बट इट वाज अ वंडरफुल शो टू टेक पार्ट इन, बिकॉज आई थिंक उतनी जो हमें एक लेवल ऑफ फेमिलियरिटी और ऑडियंस का जो प्यार मिला, इट्स कैरिड ओवर ऑल टिल दिस टाइम. अभी आपने देखा ही होगा कि वो बंदा कहता है कि मैंने आपके लिए 2004 में आपके लिए वोट किया था. सो इट्स अ नाइस फीलिंग टू ऑब्वियसली हियर दैट.
No, but you're right actually, because I remember Indian Idol 1 is the only season. आगे भी है, we have Indian Idol 5 or 6 given us, I think Sriram, who has a singing career, but still by faces, you said, use the word familiarity. Beat Amit Sana, Abhijit Sawant, Rahul Vede, you were there, Prajakta Shukre was there if I'm not wrong. वो वाली familiarity now we are not getting. 22 साल तो, I think 2001 year it was, which year was it?
It's 2004. 2005, early 2004-5. Yeah,
it's been 20 years now.
Yeah,
and it's still there. People still remember that. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मतलब कि अभी जानना शुरू किया. People know it from there.
बिल्कुल.
But it's not there anymore. I don't even remember the names of the winners now.
I think अभी क्योंकि उस वक्त एक नॉवल्टी फैक्टर था हमारे शो के साथ. अब क्या है, आई थिंक हर एक चैनल में कोई ना कोई रियलिटी शो चल रहा है. When there's too much of something, उसकी novelty factor चली जाती है. Although I feel like the talent is amazing. I look at Indian Idol now. I don't watch the show, but जो मुझे Instagram पे reels दिखते हैं, there's a Sneha Shankar girl who I feel is, I've even messaged that आज तक की maybe सबसे best contestant, इतनी तैयार singer I have never seen on the show. So I have that मेरे अंदर कि मैं टैलेंट को अप्रिशिएट कर सकता हूँ. इसमें मुझे कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुँचता. Oh, how you say somebody else is good? Yeah, if somebody is good, they're good. I mean, बस बात खत्म उस पे. And तो मैंने I made that comment for her. But yes, I do feel कि वो novelty factor चला गया. You maybe एक नाम के साथ एसोसिएशन जो होता है वो थोड़ा कम हो गया है. इट्स नॉट गॉन कम्प्लीटली. देयर आर पीपल जो अपना नाम जिसको अपना नाम बनाना है वो बनाएगा. अरिजीत सिंह वाज इन अ शो कॉल्ड फेम गुरुकुल. आई वाज अ गेस्ट जज ऑन दैट शो. एंड अमेजिंग थिंग अबाउट दैट शो इज आई हैड मेट अरिजीत देन. इतने सालों बाद recently I had attended his concert in Pune, and it was so nice to see that he's so humble. उसने मुझे दूर से देखा, मतलब I was in the lounge area, but he saw me and he's like, I cannot believe I'm seeing Amit Tandon at my concert. And I'm like, hey? I'm like, you're Arijit Singh, boss? It's like, but I'm sure he associated that with ये बंदा मेरे शो पे एज अ गेस्ट जज मुझे जज करने आया. नाउ हु इज इट दैट डजंट सिंग अरिजीत सॉन्ग्स? ही हैज बिकम सो वर्ल्डली फेमस एंड राइटफुली सो टैलेंटेड. बट आई फील लाइक दैट्स, जिनको अपना नाम बनाना है वो बना के छोड़ते हैं. मतलब वो पैशन कोई रियलिटी शो या कोई भी चीज़ ख़त्म नहीं कर सकती. सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल्स लाइक दैट स्टिल.
Well, that's true. That's absolutely true. We can't deny that. You just mentioned that एक साल हो जाता है. Basically, when it gets monotonous in your career, you tend to look for something else.
Yeah.
Was it the same case when it came to singing and then to acting?
No. So acting kind of, not that I was, मैंने कभी ये प्लान नहीं किया था कि मैं सिर्फ सिंगर बनूंगा या मैं सिर्फ एक्टर बनूंगा. मुझे एंटरटेन करना था.
अच्छा.
See, and इस इंडस्ट्री में आने के लिए you have to कभी कभी, especially when you don't have backing or you don't know people. I'm not so PR friendly, मतलब कि इनसे जाके मिलो उनसे जाके मिलो. तो उस वक्त मुझे था, दो avenues थे मेरे पास जो मुझे लगता था, either acting or singing. Acting kind of fell in my lap from Indian Idol because Sony had signed me and then we had done a television show together. तो वहाँ से वो शुरुआत हुई. But it was never that ये छोड़ दूँ और वो कर दूँ. हालांकि वो मे बी लगता होगा लोगों को, बट इट्स नॉट एज सच. आई वुड लव एक्टिंग. आई प्लान ऑन गेटिंग इनटू समथिंग नाउ ऑन द डिजिटल फ्रंट इन द वेब सीरीज स्पेस. एंड आई एम नेवर अगेंस्ट इट. आई लव एक्टिंग, आई लव सिंगिंग, आई कैन लव बोथ थिंग्स. बस मुझे उन दोनों चीज़ों को निभाना और उसके लिए बराबर से अपना टाइम देना, वो अब मैं समझ गया हूँ कि किस हिसाब से मुझे करना है.
And like I said, everyone has their own time. With due time, you do understand, you do figure out, because all of us are different. Because I think Ayushmann Khurrana also initially used to do that. He still does that.
Yeah,
now he's majorly into acting, but he sings also.
But he sings, yeah. See, he's always been in that zone. He's also gone the VJ route, the radio host, radio jockey. So ऐसे कोई मतलब आप बांध के नहीं रखे हुए कि आप सिर्फ ये कर सकते हो, भाई ये मत करना. Initially मुझे वो हुआ. Initially when I was even doing, when I started doing television acting, it was like, अरे ये तो सिंगर है. Then धीरे धीरे ऐसा हो के, अरे ये तो I would do shows, अरे ये तो एक्टर है. तो मैं भाई make up your mind, मैं दोनों हूँ, मैं दोनों कर सकता हूँ. And by God's grace लोगों ने accept किया इतने सारे shows करने के बाद. तो I'm happy with that. And now as a singer, I am completely ready, trained. मतलब मैं कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ता. It's like the way I've been working out for the last 30 years now. I have only मतलब my daily routine is filled with music. मैं रियाज करता हूँ and it's a daily thing. We'll sing for you shortly as well. Yes. But it's a part of your life. तो वो जो आपकी ज़िंदगी का एक हिस्सा बन जाता है, then it becomes very easy to manage both. Initially वो problem थी because टीवी की शूटिंग जो होती है इट्स सो हैवी. 12 घंटे बोल के 15 भी हो जाते हैं, 16 भी हो जाते हैं, कभी कभी पूरा दिन भी ले लेते हैं. So गला का काम करेगा, आप रियाज कब करोगे, कब कोई चीज़ करोगे. So that was the big issue that I was having. But now I've managed to do both and understand कि मुझे किस चीज़ के लिए टाइम देना है.
Yeah. And talking about music, as we speak, his songs video is coming out. Compliments it is.
Yes, compliments with Sana Sultan Khan of Big Boss fame. Big Boss fame, and she now does so many music videos. वो I every हफ्ते I say, अरे तूने ये भी किया, तू ये भी कर रही, तू ये भी कर रही. So अभी yes, she is also in compliments. And Sana के साथ एक बहुत interesting story ये थी कि lockdown से पहले we were doing a song together, a video together, and we had shot the video and everything was all set and ready to go. And for some reason, because of COVID and all that, we did not get to release that. So then we worked on another song, जो जाने अनजाने में, I don't know whether it was the director or whatever it was, the music producer, उन्होंने मुझे एक गाना दिया जो copyright था. So मैंने वो गाना डाल दिया था, and it is actually with Instagram that we were working together and doing something. And फिर पता चला कि वो गाना किसी और का पहले से था. So unfortunately we had to remove that. So then I told Sana, भाई हमारा luck खराब है, but God willing इस बार there's no issues. Compliments is my song, हमने बनाया है, and we did the video, and it's come actually as we speak. जब लोग देखेंगे वो release होगा, and I think people will really enjoy it. So she's a very very sweet girl.
Yeah, I'm sure.
उसने मुझे ये भी सिखाया है. I guess this is the Korean heart. So
Korean heart.
Yeah. So she वो जब भी वो कहती है hey, so मैं भी वो ऐसा करता हूँ. So it's nice.
You can post for it while जैसे videos launch.
हमने एक पोस्ट मारा था, बता कि यार ये वीडियो के लिए मैंने यूज करता, but I mean compliments, it was about that. So but very sweet girl, very very nice to work with her. बहुत ही उसका जो energy है वो बहुत very clean, very sweet. बातें भी बड़े उर्दू जो लफ्ज़ वो इस्तेमाल करती हैं. She's very sweet that way. Very good to work with.
Wow. I realize, while you're just by talking, like I said, I'm going to explore as a human, Amit Tandon. I just realized when you're speaking, you have a bit of an accent. It's
Yes,
not normally.
I have a strong accent. Abhi,
Yeah.
if I actually get into that tone, abhi bhi thoda tone down kar raha hu. So okay, I will not tone it down. You'll see the difference. Let's see.
Oh, okay. So मुझे यही पूछना था कि did ever किसी ने बोला कि because what I've heard is everyone, most of the actors face this कि कुछ ना कुछ बदलने को बोलते हैं, be it internal or external. So has ever anyone
Yes.
asked you? to
Yes.
do
Yes.
that?
You're, okay. So now the reality is, this is the way I speak. This is my proper English accent, meaning I'm not trying to hide it. I'm not trying to tone it down. I'm not trying to roll the R's. I'm saying it exactly how it is. So initially when I came into the industry, लोग मुझे कहते थे कि आपकी हिंदी तो सही है, लेकिन जैसे ही वो इंग्लिश में आप कुछ बोलते हो, दिमाग फिर जाता है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता आप क्या बोल रहे हो, और फिर लगता है कि आपकी हिंदी में भी एक्सेंट है, क्योंकि आप जब इंग्लिश में बात करते हो और फिर अचानक से हिंदी में चले जाते हो, it's like they feel like all of a sudden I'm speaking in English and I go, अरे भाई कैसे कर, they're like accented है. So I had to tone it down. तो eventually फिर मैंने क्या किया is, अब now if I speak in English, थोड़ा सा धीरे से, थोड़ा सा शब्दों को चबा के, जो the English that is spoken more, the British English, and I guess Hindustani English that we say, because American English is tough. मतलब वो कुछ लोगों के सर के ऊपर चली जाती है. हम फिल्मों में देख सकते हैं वो चीज़, बट लेकिन जब आमने सामने कोई बात कर रहा हो तो मुझे बहुत बार शुरू में कहते थे कि what say that again, फिर से बोलना. So मैं समझ गया था कि भाई ये एक्सेंट को तुम्हें थोड़ा टोन डाउन करना पड़ेगा. बट क्योंकि मैं हर साल वापस अमेरिका जाता था और मोस्टली अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी, अभी तक तो ज़्यादातर ज़िंदगी मैंने वहाँ पे गुजारी है. इट्स गेटिंग क्लोज तो 24 years वहाँ पे, 22 यहाँ पे. अब आप खुद ही हिसाब लगा लो कि मेरी उम्र क्या है, बट आई एम स्टिल यंग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग, सो नथिंग लाइक दैट. बट यस, वो इट्स गेटिंग क्लोज. अभी वो ऑलमोस्ट अपनी आधी ज़िंदगी या इवन होने वाला है. 2 more years एंड आई विल बी 50-50. सो या, बट मैं दिल से हिंदुस्तानी हूँ. मैं दिल से अपने आप को, पासपोर्ट पे भले ही मेरे अमेरिकन सिटीजनशिप है, लेकिन अपने दिल से मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ, through and through. India is the best. I don't think there's any close second to India. And अब तो वैसे भी America to me is not what it used to be, given the way things are happening in the world. But that's a totally different topic, which we can get into, because I have no problem talking about it. But see, every country has its problems, but I feel like हमारे इंडिया की जो कल्चर है, म्यूजिक हो, खाना हो, लोग हों, फैमिली वैल्यूज हो, आई फील लाइक वी आर फार, मतलब 1000 गुना बेटर देन एनी अदर कंट्री आउट देयर. आई एम नॉट सेइंग देयर इज नॉट गुड कंट्रीज, बट अगर मैं अमेरिका और हमारे बीच जोड़ूं, इंडिया इज द बेस्ट. लाइक हम कहते हैं ना, ईस्ट और वेस्ट, इंडिया इज द बेस्ट. यो.
Nice. So quite you are actually an entertainer. You chose the right profession and you were right about yourself. You are entertaining while talking. That's a huge talent to have.
It's good.
It's a
I
big
mean,
talent.
I think जो शुरू के जो वीजे की करियर थी, वहाँ पे हम अपने हाथ बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे वैसे करते थे, you know, hey, what's up guys, ऐसा. बट तो वो थोड़ा मैंने कम कर दिया. ऐसे ही मैं ज़्यादातर अपने हाथों को ऐसे रखता हूँ, because I have a tendency हाथों के साथ भी अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करना. बट yes, I mean, I feel like in this line you have to be able to express yourself. अपने आप को आँखों के साथ, अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज के साथ, और ऑब्वियसली अपनी जुबान के साथ एक्सप्रेस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
But I've heard like being a girl dad, it's a beautiful feeling. It would be a beautiful feeling, right?
Daughters are the best. Daughters are such a blessing. वो जो प्यार देती हैं, it is incomparable with anything that you can have. You know, so I always say, अपने दादा दादी और जो हमारे senior citizens और बच्चे, especially daughters. I'm not saying sons are bad. We're good, but I feel like daughters are better personally. प्यार दो उनको भर भर के, and appreciate every moment you have with them, because it's amazing. I mean, I have मेरे दादा दादी unfortunately are not here anymore, but they're always with me. मतलब there's not a day that goes by कि मैं उनको याद नहीं करता. मैं बचपन के इतने दिन उनके साथ मैंने गुजारे हैं. I remember because मैं US में था, स्पोर्ट्स खेल के या कुछ भी करता था, मैं आके बस उनके चरणों के पास बैठ के, edge of the bed बैठ के बस उनकी बातें सुनता था. And I miss that. I miss those topics of conversation. So हमारे जो बड़े हैं, they have so much knowledge, they have so much to offer. They sometimes just want somebody to speak to, so give them that time. And same thing goes with our kids. वो प्यार देना चाहते हैं, they want to have time spent with, and eventually there will come a time that they don't want to spend time with you, because उनकी अलग दुनिया हो जाती है. So appreciate that and build वो एक relationship बनाओ अपने बच्चों के साथ. It's important.
Wow, I almost got lost in your, in your conversation. I completely forgot what I'm supposed to speak.
कोई बात नहीं.
No, but,
Start from anywhere.
No, but then you are actually saying very nice things which must be spoken, and I'm glad you choose to speak. As simple as that.
Yeah.
You choose to speak.
Yeah.
That's as simple as that. That's we need to applaud for that. Applause. You deserve it. But coming back to social media, I wanted to talk about, because अभी एक दिन हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ नया आ रहा है एक तो.
Yeah.
AI is taking the center stage, which I personally believe should not. I can speak up for that.
It's very dangerous.
Yeah, but I want to know your opinions on that as an entertainer, as an artist, because it's kind of replacing.
Yeah, it is. It is. You can make your songs on AI. You can make your videos on AI. You can create characters, like human-like characters on AI. तो बचा क्या है?
Exactly.
You can make your lyrics on AI. You can sing on AI. मतलब I don't. Eventually, you'll be able to make love to AI. I'm assuming. अगर वो dolls अभी बनी नहीं है तो I'm sure बन जाएंगी. तो फिर इंसानों की क्या ज़रूरत? I mean, I remember एक recent interview में Bill Gates was saying that in 10 or 15 years, humans will become obsolete for most things. भाई जागो. That's very scary. हमने Terminator 2 जैसी फिल्में वो सब देखी हैं, but are you not seeing what's happening? There was a video also I saw. I think China में या कहीं था, concert में they had robots as guards. तो रोबोट obviously उसकी सर्किट शॉर्ट हो गया होगा, ये क्या होगा, when it started attacking the audience, and उनको मतलब बटन बंद करना पड़ेगा जो भी. But the point is there will come a time जो उनका बटन बंद नहीं होगा. AI is such a thing कि it works on its own. There will come a time कि they will say हमने तुम्हारी सुननी नहीं है इंसानों, भाड़ में जाओ, अब तुम्हारी ऐसी की तैसी हम करेंगे. इतने सालों से तुम ये प्रॉम्प्ट दे रहे हो, ये करो वो करो, अब तुम करोगे जो हम करवाना चाह रहे हैं. Then क्या? अमित टंडन ताली बजा. Okay. I mean, what are you going to do? So we have to turn things back. That's why I keep saying we are headed down a very dark path, and they call it end times. I always say this, and this is maybe conspiracy theories, whatever, but I always say, जब बच्चों का मरना और बुजुर्गों का और बच्चों का मरना हमारे लिए एक रियल की तरह पास हो जाए, जब बस उसको देख हाँ चौके नहीं दे, the moment you that becomes acceptable, we have hit the bottom, the bottom when I mean there's nothing left. और क्या है, मैं गाना निकाल रहा हूँ लेकिन when I see the world situation I'm like what the hell am I doing, what the hell is going on in this world, you know. ये इनको अटैक करेंगे बॉम्ब के साथ, न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब, ये भाई न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब पता है क्या है, मतलब Bombay will be under the water, it'll be finished. Yeah, and people talk. It's just a lot of talk because I just feel like as a society we've gone in a very different direction. But anyway, this is supposed to be a fun interview, but we're talking about life, and hopefully from this some people can learn. Speak up. You have to speak up. You cannot be scared. If you stay scared, you will become like sheep. So share ki tarah bano and stand up for what is right. That's what I believe.
Yeah, Bhedshali, and what you just said reminds me of Rajnikant's Robot. He made in have you seen it?
Yeah,
2010.
yeah, of course. Yeah.
That's exactly what
Exactly,
he showed.
yeah.
That's exactly what he showed. Ab main kisi ki nahi sunta, Chitti says that.
Yeah, that's what happens,
Yeah.
We're headed down that. So it's scary. They need to turn things back because ये जब हमारे हाथों के बाहर चीज चली जाएगी, then there's no turning back then. Then you'll have a AI robot being able to just press a button and either bomb phenka, udhar phenka, it's very scary. I don't know. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता किधर जाऊं, क्या करूं, किस हिसाब से करूं, because I feel like we've become all aloof to what's happening. हर कोई अपने में ही मस्त है, अपने में ही. I'm also to blame. Music बनाओ, ये करो, but so you have to keep living, right? You can't stop living, but we have to also be aware. I'm very disappointed कि I see very few actors posting about things like Palestine. Not only Palestine, वो सिर्फ वही एक जगह नहीं है, but it's so in your face. हमारे हिंदुस्तान में कम चीजें नहीं हो रही, हिंदू के खिलाफ, मुस्लिम्स के खिलाफ, all of this stuff. अरे यार, प्यार से रहो एक दूसरे के साथ. That is what is going to get us ahead. India is the best country in the world, but we have to overcome this because ये हमको अंदर से ही खोखला कर रहा है, and we're not realizing that. We have to be one, and then we can do anything. Then there's no stopping us.
Yeah. That's true. Actually, we have to maintain the tag of being best, or we are best, and let's maintain that.
Yeah.
Coming back to, let's make it a lighter. Coming back to your work, okay. So when your acting happened, and now I think you're balancing singing and acting.
Yes.
If I'm not, correct me if I'm not wrong.
100%.
If you're balancing singing and acting parallelly, do you still audition for maybe say movies? I think you've done Creature 3D.
Yeah, I done.
Whatever
I
that
done
is.
Creature. Yeah, whatever the Creature. Yeah.
That's what Wikipedia says.
Yeah, I done Creature 3D. I've had offers here and there for films and things like that. In fact, I had an offer to do something in Ashiki 2, but I had backed out of that for whatever reasons at that
You
time.
backed out of Ashiki 2?
Not for the lead. It was one of the characters in the film.
I think
But
I remember.
looking back, and anyway, one of my really good friends, Salil Acharya, he did that. So God bless him because he's a good guy, very good-hearted guy. He's one of those guys I really respect a lot because उसने हमारी भी करियर की शुरुआत बहुत सिमिलर गई है, एंड बहुत सारे रोल्स जो मैं करके या तो मैंने छोड़े हैं या हम दोनों की, क्योंकि we were similar built and similar personalities, but I'm so happy to see that उसने जो काम किया ना वो इतनी मेहनत करता है, from V Jain to R Jain to his hosting that he does, जो भी करता है, he is always very dedicated to his craft. So Salil brother, I don't meet you again often, but a lot of respect for you because he really is one of those guys that maintains it, and he's built a good life for himself, for his family, and he has a beautiful wife and kids as well. So God bless him.
Amazing. He is a nice guy.
Yeah, very nice guy.
Okay, so I was talking about the audition. So you still audition or for movies or say web? You just mentioned web.
I do. I'm not good at this. देखो ये auditioning, ये लोगों से मिलना, auditioning तो करना ही पड़ता है, वो तो हर किसी को करना पड़ता है. But I have an inability which I'm trying to work on because my wife is very socially conscious, a very good बातचीत में. I'm kind of aloof, as I said. मैं बात कर सकता हूँ, I can interact, all of that, but I just have a difficulty कि अच्छा यहाँ पे कुछ हो रहा है, इनको फोन करो, वहाँ जाओ, उधर जाओ. वो चीज़ मुझसे बहुत मुश्किल से होती है. So I need to get out of that shell. Or if there is stuff happening, आप लोग मुझे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आई एम अ चिल गाय. हाँ, मेरी एक्सेंट अमेरिकन एक्सेंट है, लेकिन अमेरिकन एक्सेंट आपको मेरी एक्टिंग में या मेरे काम में कभी महसूस नहीं होगा. एंड सो वी कैन डेफिनेटली डू समथिंग टुगेदर. बट यस, आई हैव समवट ऑफ अ डिफिकल्टी कि जाके इधर उधर जाके मैं काम पूछूं. सो या, आई डोंट नो इफ दैट विल गो. आई एम ट्राइंग बट इट डजंट गो अवे. सो या.
What about the casting agencies?
मतलब, yeah, that too. It's like, honestly, this industry is very different. एक वक्त था जो मुझे लगता था कि एक के बाद एक काम ऐसा हाथ में आता था. And then it comes to a point like if you go out of the circuit, right? The problem now is I'm doing mostly music. तो अब लोगों को लगता है कि यार इसको acting नहीं करनी, but it's not the case. You know, so you have to make yourself clear that of course I love acting. I've always loved acting. लेकिन मैं दोनों काम कर सकता हूँ. I love performing live in front of an audience. I love doing events. I love singing songs, making videos. वो पूरा creative process मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. पर मैं दोनों काम कर सकता हूँ, आराम से कर सकता हूँ. You know, so that's hopefully take one filmy के through we can, you know, ये message लोगों को मिल जाए.
सुन रहे हो ना? Yeah, no, but you're right. We can do. मतलब ये दो नाव पे पैर रख के भी हम नाव साथ में चलाएं तो क्रॉस कर सकते हैं. I completely believe in it.
Yes.
People say that नहीं कर सकते, but अगर आप बट नाव को बैलेंस करो, you can cross the river or whatever.
If you're good at आपकी स्ट्रेचिंग अच्छी है and you can balance और ज़्यादा वो आप splits कर सकते हो, तो फिर वो नाव में आप दो नाव में सवार हो सकते हो. I think, yeah.
What's next? What's coming up?
So, like we mentioned, Compliments, the video is out today, and I have quite a good lineup of songs coming up in this year. After this, we have a track called Overcoat, which is very different from anything I've done, because abhi tak jo mere pichhle kuch gaane hain, they've always been in that very romantic, you know, Punjabi space with a very, you know, nice beat and things like that. The next one is pure hardcore, like rap and working out, boxing, वो पूरा feel है उसमें. So that's something very different. And I really love doing stuff like that. मैं थोड़ा सा sappy romance में मैं इतना वो, you know, I'm not so keen on stuff like that, but I love being that hardcore type of a, you know, that kind of a thing. I think मेरे mostly जो roles भी हुए हैं, they've been in that bad boy space, although some have been in the romantic space as well. But I loved doing that particular type of a video. So yes, we have stuff like that. Some really good tie-ups. I have another song coming out with Sarb. Attach was also with Sarb. And Sarb Baji has given me another beautiful song that we're going to be probably shooting probably later on next month. And one song I have, which is going to be coming out, my really good friend Abhishek Bajaj. हम दोनों ने एक साथ दिल दे के देखो एक शो किया था सोनी सब पे, and so him and I are going to be working on a really good track. You guys will really love that because he's like a younger brother to me, and he loves working out, so we're making a track around that. And वो हमेशा मुझे कहता था कि भाई आर्म रेसलिंग में आपको हरा दूंगा, but brother, the old man beat you. So
I saw a video on your Instagram.
Yeah. So हम actually जब से हमने वो शो शुरू किया था ना, we had done an arm wrestling on the set as well. उस वक्त मुझे ये कह रहा था कि आप आर्म्स को आप अपने रिस्ट को ट्विस्ट नहीं कर सकते, सीधा रखना है. ऐसे ये आर्म रेसलिंग नहीं होती.
A lot of people say that.
Yeah, that's nonsense. This is the whole essence. The moment you can turn the wrist, but that's a part of the whole process. You start straight, but पहली जीत ये होती है. If you twist the wrist and then you go down. So इस बार जब हमने किया ऐसा, बेटा अभी आर्म ट्विस्ट कर सकते हैं, तो मैंने उसको वीडियो भी दिखाया, ये है रूल्स आर्म रेसलिंग के, तो हमने किया. But lovely guy, I love being around him, and he's as I said, he's a younger brother, but we'll be doing something really cool together.
Wow. A lot of my friends watching this, please understand, ये cheating नहीं होती है.
It's not cheating. Yes. You have to keep your elbow on the mat, and ये starting में straight होता है, and eventually जब करते करते when they say go, you're allowed to do this. यही, you know, they say there was a Sylvester Stallone movie, Over the Top. So the whole essence was controlling your thumb and getting that bend. So that's why I say a lot of your wrist strength comes into that play. So yeah.
Okay, coming back to, are you up for doing TV shows or daily soaps or?
I don't know about daily soaps, but I think if a good role comes by, I never say never to work. The problem is TV, I feel like just keeps going in एक circle में घूम रहा है, you know, and उनकी भी गलती नहीं है. Frankly बताऊं, I love watching Pakistani dramas. I think that short sweet storyline जो अब हम वेब सीरीज में कर रहे हैं, पर अगर वही चीज़ हम अपने डेली शोज में करते एंड इफ इट वाजंट प्योरली लाइक अ मनी मेकिंग थिंग के अभी 300 एपिसोड 500 एपिसोड 1000 एपिसोड 2000 एपिसोड वो हम खींचते चीज़ की मिठास खत्म करते हैं. सो आई फील लाइक इफ दैट चेंज वुड हैपन बिकॉज I mean, I don't know about Pakistani films. I've never really seen anything that stood out, but their television to me is light years better than जो हम कर रहे हैं. And I'm being a part of that, saying that कि मुझे वो shows देखने में मजा आता है, you know. And it's not that we have equally as good actors, or some of our actors and actresses are equally as good looking, although the Pakistani actors are very talented and good looking.
Hi,
but
Amir, are you listening?
yes. Yeah, my daughter she's one of her favorites, so I cannot even say anything against her. But generally, उनके shows ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं और ये admit करने में मुझे कुछ, you know, it's not a bad thing. We should work harder to improve to get to those point. But नहीं लगता because हमारे यहाँ पे पैसा बोलता है, and I think that's what they're all about.
I think content consumption also depends, right? The consumption of content that's happening in the household.
देखो, आप जो लोगों को दिखाओगे वही वो देखते हैं. There's a reason. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है because of web क्या हो रहा है, if you've noticed, अब वेब की स्टोरीज और स्क्रिप्ट्स इतनी अच्छी हैं कि अब अगर कोई फिल्म बड़े पर्दे पे आती है and if it's not up to the mark, लोग देखते नहीं हैं. You're not getting those types. And अगर कोई चीज़ बहुत बढ़िया है तो फिर वो देखने जाते हैं. So you can't make a fool of the audience for too long. You know, you will still have वैसे shows होंगे जो 1000, 2000, 3000 पता नहीं कितने हजार episodes होंगे. But I think उसकी संख्या भी कम हो रही है. Now, good content, proper storylines वो लोगों को देखनी है. और अगर आप वो deliver नहीं करोगे, then you're not going to really, you know, be in that space.
Yeah, there's a show that's going on. I think जब मैं छोटा था, I was in 9th or 10th standard, तब से रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है. It's still on.
Wow. I mean, I've never, देखो, मैं अपने shows भी बहुत कम देखता था, and आज तक मैंने कोई भी daily soap देखा नहीं है, except for the shows I used to do, और वो भी मैं कभी बड़ी मुश्किल से देखता था. No offense to anybody, but yeah, I like watching the digital space. Nice. Well-made storylines, and like I said, I'm a huge fan of Pakistani dramas. My wife is always watching, तो मैं ना चाहते हुए भी कभी-कभी मैं शो देखता हूँ, but then देखते मुझे वो शो अच्छे लगने लगता है and मैं देखता हूँ. So very different storylines they have.
Binge watch it. Do you feel ये है मोहब्बतें give you a wider recognition?
No, I don't think as in particular that show. I mean, I think I can say Kasam also gave me a wide audience. If you want to say a show that gave me a huge audience, initially, I would say Kaisa Ye Pyar Hai from that opening. Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahoti, only because it's such a massive show that it was. I feel like Dil Mil Gaye really stood out. If you want to say one show that really, because अगर आज के digital space में वो show होता ना, तो हम कहाँ होते? A lot of the actors who were on that show also realized that we would be sitting at 10-15 million followers on Instagram, although I don't really hold that as such that's the big deal. But it was such a cult show in that young audience जो आज तक उसके memes, उसके, you know, show के videos मुझे भेजते हैं. So that show really had a very different following altogether. But that being said, even Kasam Tere Pyar Ki that had done, that was I think the last show that had done on television, that also had a very strong. The good thing, Siddharth, is मैंने आज तक जो भी show किया है ना, it's been appreciated. There was a show I did on Sub TV called Genie or Juju. And I played this guy Rahul from वो गांव का लड़का था, and उसकी एक favorite dialogue ये होती थी कि हम ना देखते हैं दाएं ना देखते हैं बाएं, आज because हम है देसी बाय. And that was जब ये बोला गया था मुझे बोलने के लिए, I'm like, दफा करो, मैं नहीं बोल रहा ऐसा कुछ, I'm not, ये stupid line मैं नहीं बोलूँगा. मैंने बोला and I kept saying it. And I used to get so many messages from people, अरे सर आप तो वही हो ना, हम ना देखते हैं बाएं ना. I'm like, oh बाप रे. I'm like, but then I realized audience को ये चीज़ अच्छी लगती हैं. It becomes like a catch, almost like a meme. So you don't know what works and what doesn't work. So sometimes you have to be open to जो writer कहते हैं, because कभी-कभी, you know, बात निकल जाती है. But yeah, that way I've been lucky. Whatever shows I've done, they've had a good impact, you know, with the audience and popularity wise.
I can't wait what you do next, and I love the names of the songs that you do. You know, Attached, Compliments, Overcoat. You just
Yes, Overcoat. Yes.
We can't, let you leave the, we can't end the show without you singing it. So anything that you would want.
Sure. So my latest song, like I said, is called Compliments, and it's a Punjabi number, so I'll sing that for you. ਅੱਖਾਂ ਬਿੱਲੀਆਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ਮੀਜ਼ ਵਾਲ, ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਟੋਏ ਵੀ ਕਮਾਲ, ਉਤੋਂ ਮੋਰਨੀ ਜੀ ਤੁਰਦੀ ਏ ਚਾਲ ਨੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ, ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ। ਉਹ ਸ਼ਾਇਨ ਨੇਚਰ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਤਾਇਓ ਤਾਂ ਤੇ ਤੋਂ ਸੰਗਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਦਿਲ ਹੀ ਤੇ ਤੋਂ ਮੰਗਿਆ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਜਾਨ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਮੰਗਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ। ਫੁੱਲਾਂ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਮਹਿਕ ਲਵਾ ਦੇਵੇ, ਲੱਗੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਆਸ਼ਿਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਲੰਘਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ। ਇਸ਼ਕ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ, ਬਸ ਤੇਰੇ ਜੋਗਾ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ, ਜਦੋਂ ਦਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਖਹਿ ਗਿਆ, ਨਿਸਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਸੁੱਕਿਆ, ਨਿਸਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਸੁੱਕਿਆ। ਅੱਖਾਂ ਬਿੱਲੀਆਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ਮੀਜ਼ ਵਾਲ, ਗੱਲਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਟੋਏ ਵੀ ਕਮਾਲ, ਉਤੋਂ ਮੋਰਨੀ ਜੀ ਤੁਰਦੀ ਏ ਚਾਲ ਨੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ, ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ।
Amazing. I think this deserves a clap, but that's really nice and catchy.
Thank you. Thank you. The video is also really nice. So I think you guys check that out. It's on my YouTube channel, Amit Tandon Music. And obviously the song is available on all of these streaming platforms. So definitely check it out. And there's a lot of stuff coming up soon. So, stay tuned.
And I don't feel like ending the conversation, but because you're such an interesting person, हमारा conversation ऐसे जा रहा था, I felt like I need an entire day with you
Yeah, soon.
to actually know and talk about a lot of things.
Yeah.
And I would love to catch up with you again,
sure.
on camera, off camera. Love to discuss amazing things that
My
we did.
pleasure, Siddharth. It was definitely nice meeting you. And
you.
I hope Take One Filmy goes to the next level and you really grow as an artist as well.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for joining us.